Now that you figured out how to do the dilutions for your oligos, we'll go ahead and set that up. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a tube out. So I'm going to take 1 microliter of the top oligo. Now take the bottom oligo. Always double check the label, make sure you're getting the right one. So now I have a tube that has 2 1 microliter aliquots of the oligos that we ordered from the company. 2 microliters. And now I need the 10x annealing buffer. And since our final volume is, 20 microliters, I'll have 2 microliters of the annealing buffer. All right, here we go, homing in on 16 microliters. So now, another fresh tip, sterile water. Now I'm going to make sure I mix that with the other 3 droplets that are already in there. Put the cap on. I will walk over there and do the boil and cool. Now that you've diluted your oligos, we're ready to boil them. And now we're going to put it in the boiling water and let it go for 10 minutes. Right? And after 10 minutes, we'll turn off the power and let this cool slowly overnight.